made a little enclosure for my baby chicks and my 2 little ducks. I can open it up. I try to put the mesh around it. So these are them. Put some vitamins in their water. And I give them regular water over there. And they're eating sweet feed already. So I did make them a little run area, but then I blocked it off though, because I'm gonna end up putting mesh around this whole little area. So this is what I did. So it's my little chicken coop. Put tin around it, and then the little run. I'm gonna open up the run right after I put mesh on the whole thing. But that's them. They look so happy.